Greetings! In today's lecture, let's talk a little bit about scripting. Scripting is necessary for your game object to give them some kind of life and interaction. Every script you create will have some kind of default functions. For example, function int, function final. Functions are code part of complete script, and we use a Lua script. So let's do some coding. Function init is for initialization code, and for example function input, this is for input handling code. The game object this script is attached to must have acquired input focus. So we will use this code line, select, copy, and we will put it somewhere here. So select, enter, and paste. So we have some kind of line, message post, acquire input focus, which is necessary, as explained here, for the input focus if you use some kind of input, for example, keyboard input, mouse input, touchboard input, and other. Every script have this default functions: init, final, update, fixed update, on message, on input, on reload, etc. You can also create your own functions, so you can create your own parts of code. And now let's talk a little bit about writing and editing a script. Here, in a function initialization, we have one code line, starting with this two similar symbols. Means this code line is a comment. Comments are not executive part of code. There are part of our code useful for commenting, like this: add initialization, learn more, remove this function if not needed. So we can select it and remove it. Now we have function. Every function must have some kind of body. Body are code lines. So we have one code line. Functions without body or without code lines are not useful because you will get a lot of error messaging. So you need to have some code line. To write a code line, first thing is code line start with one tab space, so one indent spacing. If you start function from a beginning, you will get your indent spacing by default. And to write a line, you simply use your keyboard and write it. You can finish some pre-default commands or codes with simple enter press, like this. So post or select with the mouse, like this. And you can write your own properties for this method. For example, we will say this message is for this script, so self, and this message will acquire focus. You can start with the known letters, so acquire input focus, and we will just select it. This is the same line I explained it before, so you don't need to know how line function, but it is good for you in this lesson to know how to edit or use script. We will continue in next lecture with a little bit complex scripting Goodbye.